This video will show you how to convert Word Online to PDF quickly. To convert Word Online to PDF, you need to click here on the File option. The option is available here. After clicking on the File tab, you will see the option of Save As. Click on this option and now you can see the option of Download as PDF. You can simply select this option, Download as PDF, and your Word Online document will be converted to PDF. After clicking this option, you will see the download button. Click on it and save the file to your computer. And as you can see, we have converted Word Online to PDF. Now check out these useful videos related to Word Online. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem.